I have my buddy Alex Markarian coming over to work on a project he wants to work on. It sounds like he's gonna do like a wood carving knife. All right, Alex, it's great to have you back in the shop again. What are you gonna be working on today?
Today I'm going to be doing a little nice comfortable carving knife so I can do some wood whittling this summer.
What are you looking for in a wood whittler?
So just a small, really sharp blade, really simple, easy to sharpen, and a nice big comfortable handle, something that I can really work on for hours without getting too tired.
Alex also brought his knives that I've made for him for me to sharpen, so let me go ahead and do that real quick while he's starting the sketching. These knives are an absolute blast from the past. This was the first one that I had made for him. This is my EDC3 design, and I call it that because it's a 3-inch blade, but with that finger hole, it gives you a full-handed grip. It's super comfortable. It's one of my knives that my deer hunters really enjoy because it's a great skinner. You're never gonna drop that blade because your finger's through it. This chef knife I made for Alex and Erica as their wedding present. And this knife is a knife that Alex and I made together. Let's go see how Alex's sketches are going. All right, buddy. How's that sketch going?
Going good. I've got 3 little designs here. Like I said, just a little short kind of scalpel-like blade and a long tang.
Super simple design, but that's exactly what we need, right, Alex?
That's right.
Let's get to grinding.
Here's what we got so far. I'm thinking I want to try and round the spine out a little bit.
Here, let me see.
I put some chamfers back there, but I think I want to take it a step further.
While Alex is finishing up those grinds, I went ahead and started to prep his handle material. We're doing a burn-on handle. We went ahead and decided on using this piece of ironwood. This is local ironwood here to Michigan. It's got a little bit of chatoyan. It's not a crazy amount, but I went ahead and squared this block up and then drilled a hole so that we can go ahead and burn that on. This is what it looks like before we burn on the handle material. But I just realized I'm out of map gas. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my bike, head over to the local hardware store, and get some more map gas. I needed a map gas and bandsaw blades. Gilroy's got it. 3, 2, 1. Push, push, push. Just a little bit of smoke in the air.
Went really well though.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Look at that.
Here we go. That's a burnt on handle. So this is how it looks like now that we have the wood burned to the blade itself. Did a little bit of work off camera to square it all up, get the block relatively squared. So Alex, next step, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the even heat to heat treat the blade. Here you go.
Perfect.
Why don't you go ahead and put it in there? Go time! All right. All right, switch it. All right, clamp her down. Nice and tight. Give it the beans. There you go. It's looking good. Nice and straight right out of the quench. I think we can just throw this thing right into the oven as is.
Yeah, sounds good to me. I'm pretty happy with it.
Let's go do it. Right in there.
Into the oven.
While that's in the oven, let's get the rough shaping done on this guy. We've got the blade. It's nice and straight. It's tempered. What do you think of the fit up so far?
It's pretty good. I think we got to do a little more detail work on the top here to make things square, but it's looking really nice so far.
We've got the rough handle shape. It's definitely big and blocky, but that's kind of what you want for a tool like this. You want a big handful of a handle. So this feels super comfy in this hand. What do you think, Alex?
Yeah, I agree with you. I think this is what I was looking for. Something big to fill out the palm like that. Nice and comfy.
Yeah, so I think the next step is we're going to start working on the bevels. So we just finished putting in the bevels. I am really proud of how well you did on that.
Yeah, it
Let's
was
see
good.
the other side. We've got nice equal bevels on both sides. So you can see that bevel on this side matches nicely with that one on that side. And yeah, this definitely isn't the most aesthetically pleasing knife, but man, oh man, does it feel functional. This thing is going to whittle a lot of really cool things.
Yeah, I agree.
What's the first thing you think you're going to whittle with it?
Ooh, that's a good question. I gotta just do a walking stick to see how it works first before I get too crazy.
All right, doctor, what's the verdict?
Going in for surgery. We gotta glue it.
We gotta glue it stat! Glue it stat! While you're focusing on that, tell me your favorite dad joke.
What did the fish say when it ran into a wall underwater?
What did it say?
Damn.
Damn! That's gluey.
It's like macaroni.
Sounds like macaroni!
Macaroni in a pot.
So what did that sound like?
Still macaroni in a pot.
Okay.
Somehow.
Slow and steady, my friend. It may be 5-minute epoxy, but 5 minutes is longer than you think. I really like your maker's mark, man. That 8M just looks classy. 2 more processes left. One, we have to put on the final edge. And I think before we do that, we've got to put some really cool texture on the side.
Yeah, we're gonna do something fun with that.
Yeah, what's that?
So we're gonna heat up the file nice and hot and basically just brand it right on the wood.
Yeah.
With this file pattern. Look how cool that is.
Yeah, look at this file pattern. Let me know in the comments if you guys know what this file pattern is, because I don't even know what it is. This is so cool. I think that's gonna make a really cool texture. So what's another dad joke you like?
Oh gosh. Put me on the spot now. That was my only one. I don't know. I have to think.
Ah.
I don't have another one on tap.
Okay, let's just do it then.
Let's do it.
All right. All right, now we need pressure in the middle. Rock it side to side. There you go.
Dang. Hard to get that even.
Oh, there we go.
Better, yeah.
That looks good, dude. All right, now we just have to do it again. And now to do the other side. So, Alex, what did we learn on that time?
A little bit hotter, a little bit flatter.
Yeah, definitely not that hot, though.
Yeah, we'll give it a sec.
All right,
And
so
knock it a
did you
little
think
bit.
of another dad
no.
joke?
Nope.
Ah, boo.
Let's do it this.
Rock it all ways. Side to side. Pull it away. Ooh!
That one turned out good.
Yeah, that's awesome, dude. That was such a cool idea.
I like it. Gotta get more use out of this thing.
All right, Alex, what do you think of it?
I think it looks great. Just what I was looking for.
Dude, that two-tone on the handle is gorgeous. And the grip on this thing, it feels so good. Like, I'm so excited with how that texture turned out.
Yeah.
You'll definitely be seeing a lot more of that texture. I'm thinking like a Bowie knife. You guys need to order something like that. Let's see how sharp it is. Oh my, come on. What do you want? What do you want? Come on, this thing's awesome. Old man Alex. Gotta be whittling.
Gotta be whittling.
Let's see how this thing works.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Biting
thing
right
is-
through.
curling up like nothing, dude. So I don't know anything about whittling. What are you seeing that's good?
That's a good question. I mean, it's moving through the wood nice and easy. I wanted this nice thin little blade, and it's nice and comfortable in my hand here.
Whittling's one of those real big high action type things, right?
Come back to me in a few days, and we'll see the.
All right. Well, I'm gonna hold you to that, man. Let's see what that thing looks like here in a couple days, and I'm gonna get a full honest review.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
All right.
Happy so far.